dear students, I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newton. Children, today's lesson Geography, Mineral Resources. Lesson overview Iron ore, distribution of iron ore, manganese, distribution of manganese, bauxite, distribution of bauxite, and last one gold and their distribution. Children, we know that many types of resources, especially resources is most important in economic development also. Without minerals, there is no industries, there is no computer, road construction, many. So, only depend on the economic development, mineral resources. That's why very significant role in economic development of the state country. Karnataka has rich and variety of mineral resources is there. Among them, for example, iron ore, gold, bauxite, limestone, manganese, chromica, mica, many types of most important types of mineral availability is there. So we are studying first mineral iron ore. Iron ore is raw material for iron and steel industry. We know that Karnataka has vast reserves of magnetite and hematite. So these are two types of iron ore. Karnataka stand next to Odisha. So in Odisha, there is the first place in our country iron ore production. Second only Karnataka. There are 75 working iron ore mines in the state. High grade magnetite or contribution and contributes 63% of the iron ore produced in our state. And the rest of is hematite ore. So all the two types of iron ore is vastly distributed in many areas. So that is distribution of iron ore. Iron ore is mainly distributed in the district of Ballari. We know that iron ore means Ballari. Chikkamangaluru, Bhagalkot, Chitradurga, Tumkur, Shivamogga, Dakshina Kannada, Uttara Kannada, Gadag. Ballari has rich deposit and they are mainly found in Hosapete and Sandur areas. So, iron ore is extracted at Donimalai, Vibhuti Gudda, Balagala, Kumaraswamy Hills, Timmapana Gudi, Deviri Range and Ramadurga Hills. Many places iron ore distribution is there. So can produce the iron ore and can availability of the iron ore many places and other districts Chikkamangaluru occupy the second position. Iron ore is found in Babu Budangiri Hills, Kemmannagundi, Kuduraimukha, Gagamula, Kalhattagiri and Jainasuri hillocks. With view protecting of biodiversity, the Supreme Court recently has ordered mining to be stopped at Kuduraimukha. So because national park is there, that's why can stop the Kuduraimukha mining center. And there are iron ore deposit in Hosadurga and Saslu of Chitradurga, nearest to Tumkur also, Amina Ghada of Bhagalkot district and Huliyar and Chikkanaikanhalli of Tumkur district, Kumsi, Shankaragudda and Siddarahalli of Shivamogga district. Many places can distribution of the iron ore is there. The iron ore produced in the state is supplied to the iron and steel factory at Bhadravati and Zindal Vijayanagara iron steel and factory near Ballari. The rest is exported. So Bhadravati now also can continue the iron and steel industries. Saram Vishveshwaraya iron industries, iron and steel industries. Now, so as it is same in Bhadravati, in 1902 only can establish the iron and steel industry. So second one is manganese. Manganese is mainly found in oxide form in sedimentary and metamorphic rock. It is used as alloy in the manufacture of steel to increase the hardness. So iron ore is there, so can use that is alloy metal also. Steel manganese only can use to increase the hardness. It is also used in the manufacture of chemicals, electricity, industry, chemical fertilizers, calico printing, and paints. Hence, it is known as jack of all traders. Manganese is most important in other minerals also. Distribution of manganese. Deposits of manganese ore are plenty in Karnataka and accounts for about 27% of the total deposits in the country. Karnataka ranks second after Odisha in the production of manganese. The distribution of manganese is found in the area where iron ore is found. Sanduru in Ballari district is an important producer of manganese. It produces about 90% of the manganese ore of the state. The other main manganese ore mining centers, Shankaragudda, Hosahalli, Kumsi, Shumaga district, Sadarahalli, Chitradurga, Chikkanaikanahalli in Tumkur district, and Sirsi Taluk, Supa, Londa, Uskanda, and Uttar Kannada district, and many districts, Dharwad, Vijaypur, Chikmagalur, many places can distribute the manganese ore. A major portion of the state's manganese production is exported to Japan, China and other countries also. Vast manganese ore is there in, especially in India also, in Karnataka also. And another one is mineral is bauxite. Bauxite ore is mostly used in the preparation of aluminium. It is also used in the manufacture of cement, steel, and electric wires. Hence, its demand is increasing. Distribution of bauxite. Deposits of bauxite ore in Karnataka are found in the districts of Belagavi, Chikmagaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Udupi. Belagavi district is the leading bauxite producing district. There are bauxite mines in Belagavi and Khanapur Taluk. So, bauxite ore used in Indian Aluminium Company factory at Belagavi. So, that is rare only, and most of the places of availability in can use in this aluminium company only. So, next another one minerals, and that is precious also, that is gold. Gold is very rare and glittering and durable yellow metal. It is also used to making ornaments. We know that we love gold, and in manufacture of valuable articles like earring, watches, bangles, many different types of earrings, many chains also, different types of long chain, necklace, many. So recently the use of the demand for gold has increased. Its price also has skyrocketed. Now recently 5500 per gram only. You know, children. Karnataka occupies the first position in the production of gold in India. It produces 80% of the total gold in India. Hence, Karnataka is known as the land of gold. Gold is mined in Karnataka from ancient time. We know that. So, Britishers also can occupied and looted the gold and wealth also. We know that in history and other parts. However, gold mining was begun on a large scale in 1880 by John Taylor, and this is a reason for establishment of KGF in 1885, Kolara KGF. So can establish the gold field. Before, vast gold is there. There are important mines in Kolar, gold mines or gold fields. They are Nandi Durga, Urigam, and Champion Reef and Mysore mines. Among this, Champion Reef is the deepest gold mine. So 3217 meters. Most of the gold deposits, this mines is almost exhausted due to the continuous mining for many years. Now they are not working, but mining continue at Hatti mines, Raichur near. The present Hatti in Raichur district is the biggest gold mine in India. In India, you can think it, not Karnataka, in India. Lot of gold produced here. Gold is also produced in Bellara in Tumkur district and Ajnahalli near Sira. Other places with gold deposits are Mulgunda and Kapatagudda in Gadag district, Kempinakote in Hassan district. Recently only can identify of the gold mines, children. So gold is very precious. You know that we also love gold, but that is very high rate. So skyrocketed every day by day. So price is rise. Thank you, children. I give one activity in PDF only. Have a nice day.